Hi guys, this is Chitwan and guess what? It's mango season. No matter whatever part of the country you're from, चाहे आप east, west, north, south कहीं से भी हो, I'm sure you have your favorite mango. Whether it's Alfonso or Safeda or Totapuri or Ratnagiri or this or that, my favorite is Safeda because obviously Delhi में सबसे ज़्यादा मिलता है and I love the taste. It's just super sweet. So let's go ahead and break the myths around mangoes. Mangoes are not unhealthy. We're going to talk about why and how you can consume mangoes. How many times have you heard mango खाओगे तो मोटे हो जाओगे, 4-5 mangoes खा लोगे तो diabetes हो जाएगा? This is all not true. It's just a myth. अच्छा, fat gain कैसे होता है? How do you gain fat? It's actually because of calories. So 100 grams of mangoes, yes, wait for it, has only 60 calories. 60, which is actually almost similar or maybe probably even less than some other fruits and dry fruits. Mangoes का नाम इतना ज़्यादा खराब इसीलिए भी है because काफी सारे लोग freshly cut mangoes खाने की जगह they switch to sugary mango drink, which actually have a lot of preservatives and a lot of sugar and are super unhealthy. So you can feel free to have your mangoes as dessert or as fresh fruit in the morning. It is not going to make you fat. एक और statement जो हम बहुत carelessly use करते हैं is that mangoes are not safe for diabetic patients. Actually, the fact is that mangoes come under low GI foods, which means कि वो insulin इतना ज़्यादा spike नहीं करते हैं जितना हम सोचते हैं. In fact, mangoes have a lot of vitamins, fiber and antioxidants and are actually very safe for diabetic patients, as safe as any other fruit. A full mango, whether it's this mango or this mango or even this mango, any mango, एक पूरे mango में 1 gram of fat भी नहीं होता है. Like this whole mango, if you eat, it's less than 1 gram fat, which is like almost nothing. So actually mangoes are not high fat fruits. I think naturally ये thought mind में आता है that अगर ये बहुत sweet है तो इसमें बहुत सारा sugar होगा. And especially mangoes के लिए ये लोग बहुत ज़्यादा सोचते हैं that it must be super high in sugar. So the reality actually is that fruit sugar is any day better than processed sugar. जो mango में sugar होता है वो fruit sugar होता है, which is also called fructose. And it's actually combined with a lot of fiber and a host of other nutrients. So obviously हर चीज़ moderation में होनी चाहिए. तो ऐसा नहीं है कि आप ये पूरा plate एक बार में खा लो. It shouldn't be like that. But yeah, you can have a couple of slices every day and it's not going to do a lot of harm to you. Obviously अगर आप बाकी दिन की calories भी watch कर रहे हैं, ऐसा नहीं है कि 2 slice mango खाने के बाद you're eating high calorie and high fat foods throughout the day after that. It has to be a balance in the whole day. If you are someone जिसको बहुत ज़्यादा acne issues हैं या pimple issues हैं, I think आपको constantly बोला गया होगा कि आप mangoes बिल्कुल मत खाओ. I feel scientifically it's wrong to blame one fruit for causing acne. Acne का reason बहुत सारी चीज़ें altogether होता है, like your skin type, अगर आपका skin oily है, your hormonal imbalances, your genetic history, the kind of GI your foods have in terms of what's the diet you're taking. Mango is actually considered to be a low GI fruit. The GI score of mango is 51 and 55 के नीचे कुछ भी हो, it's considered to be low GI. So एक particular fruit को blame करना is wrong. However, anything in excess is bad. So I feel like mango consumption should be limited to like 1 mango throughout the day or probably just a little less than that. आप obviously कुछ भी excess में consume करेंगे तो it's not good for the body. There are so many different ways of eating mangoes. Like मुझे तो personally पसंद है. I would just like slice it and eat it like this. Just so yum, so sweet. But if you want a little variety and थोड़ा सा diverse तरीके से खाना है, so mango is actually a great topping for a lot of breakfast items like pancakes, yogurt puddings, oats, chia seed puddings, etc. You can use mango with that. It goes really well because it's very sweet. A lot of people like making mango raita, like how you make pineapple or cucumber raita. Mango raita is also really yum. You can make mango shake, of course, and instead of using full cream milk, if you use skimmed milk, then obviously it's much lesser calories. And if you have some time on your hands, अगर आपके पास थोड़ा सा free time है, then you can also try making mango panna. It's really yum and it's a very, very refreshing summer drink. So I'm going to go back and enjoy these mangoes. You should too as well. It's summer season. There's like 100 different types of mangoes obviously available to order on the app. Do not feel guilty. Obviously have things in moderation, and I will see you in the next video. Before you go away, don't forget to subscribe to the Big Basket YouTube channel, and ऐसी और videos देखने के लिए don't forget to hit the bell icon.